everyone, welcome back to Hanith's world. Today I'm going to make a special recipe. We're going to make cornflake chaat. For that I have sweet corn, tomato, cucumber, onion, green chili, masala, cornflakes, and coriander leaf. So shall we start? These are so colorful and healthy. Let's start. First, let's take the sweet corn. Let me take onion and green chili. Now let's put cucumber and tomatoes. Now let's take salt, chili powder and chaat masala. Now I'll mix everything properly. Wow, it looks so colorful. Now let's put the cornflakes. Now let me mix it. Now I'll garnish with coriander leaves. Now let me mix everything well. Let me taste it. This is so yummy. You can eat the snacks and stay healthy. Hope you like my video. Try this recipe. Bye. Thank you for watching my video.